Hey guys, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocalab
Collective.
You almost broke your neck on that one. It was like...
Did I?
Yeah.
Give me
that
a
was
fan
a whip.
and I'll break so much more.
That was a whip. That was good.
Tell us what we're watching.
Hey, today we're going to react to another artist from the Philippines.
Yes.
You guys in the Philippines have crazy music fans over there.
Gosh.
I've always known that the Philippines has some of the most amazing singers in the world, but we did a video not long ago on a group, Fourth Impact,
Yeah.
and we keep
Blown
wanting to
away
call
by
them,
them.
I know, we
Holy
keep wanting to
cow.
call them Fourth Harmony. I don't know why, because their harmonies are so tight.
So
But
tight.
The response was insane.
Yeah.
The emails, the texts.
Literally,
No,
emails, not
text,
just comments.
but emails.
Yes, people were texting
Comments,
us personally.
yeah, all the things, like insane.
So incredible.
So we've had so many suggestions to react to Morissette
Yeah.
that we're here,
sorry.
and so I'm excited. We haven't heard her before.
No.
We just know she's amazing.
Never heard.
We
never
know that
heard
she
of
did
her
this.
before.
Yeah, this performance that went nuts. So
And this is actually one of my favorite songs. I basically almost cried to this song. Anyways, Never Enough.
yeah, it's so good. This is a live version.
Live version.
From The Greatest Showman. She's at a radio station. Let's just get into
Here we
it.
go.
Oh,
Oh,
she's beautiful.
gorgeous. Literally just her and a mic.
Oh, she's so cute. Like she's doing a radio show.
Yeah.
Crazy. Brave.
Trying to hold my breath.
Wish 1075.
Let it stay this way. Can't let this moment end.
Control. I have chills.
Control, articulation.
Getting loud tonight. Can you hear it echoing? Take my hand. Share
Got chills all over.
'Cause darling, without you, all the shine of 1,000 spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough.
Well, I'm going to pause real quick. I just want to
I
make a
hate
comment.
that you paused
I know
it.
it's so good, but I just want to make a real quick comment.
I'm lost.
Her space. And what I mean by that, how she shapes those words and vowels in her mouth
1000%.
without being too theatrical or operatic, yet maintain her commercial abilities
Yeah.
is so
Yeah.
good. And that needs to be pointed out because that's a
Yeah.
skill.
Yeah.
That's a skill. Again, her articulation is really just spot on. And somewhat overdone, which is cool. This is fantastic.
Real quick to echo on that, because once I dive it back into this, I don't want to stop. But to echo off of you, she's not rushing it.
No.
So even though she's singing to a track, I believe, maybe there's a pianist in the background, I'm not sure.
Probably a track,
But
I
a track,
guess.
there's no rushing it. It's almost as if the track is following her vocally.
Yeah.
And she's in complete control here in every single way, and I'm mesmerized.
Yeah, space and time for a singer is one of the most important aspects
Yeah.
of a performance.
Yes.
And that speaks into your phrasing. It's one of the hardest things to teach.
Mm-hmm.
It's one of the hardest things to learn. It is oftentimes very natural in instinct,
Mm-hmm.
but can be done. But she's killing it. Here we go. We're gonna get into this.
Towers of gold are still too little. These hands could hold the world, and it'll never be
Ooh, open that mouth, girl. Come on.
enough, never be enough for me.
Ooh, that bridge?
Grit.
Never, never,
Woo.
never, never, never for me, never enough.
Woo. Let's go to church, Katie. Come on.
Never enough, never enough
Oh,
It's perfect. It is perfect.
for me, for me. All the shine of a thousand spotlights,
What was that? What was that?
Holy cow. Can we repeat?
Wow.
Can I go back a second?
Find it.
Please. I have to.
You got to
I have
listen to this.
repeat.
That little. I could not do that in a
I
million
would
years.
be cussing up a storm right now if it weren't YouTube. But holy... my gosh. She might not have meant for that. We don't know. But...
the fact that she can do it.
oh my gosh. The dynamic in her voice it's flawless in my mind watching this. Like,
Yeah.
it's completely flawless.
That's insane. Go.
Look at her smiling.
And she's sitting down.
She's sitting down. Look how relaxed her jaw is.
So relaxed. That gruff.
Oh my gosh. I give up.
Oh, wow.
She's brilliant.
Just soars. Woo!
This is live.
Wish exclusive on Wish
Holy
107.
Let me tell you what I wish.
I don't like what?
I wish that I could sing like that.
I wish.
I
could sing
wish for everyone that I work with and you work with, I could sing like
like that.
that.
Holy
And
cow!
I wish for the world to hear more of
hear
her.
her.
That was fantastic.
Absolutely incredible.
Insane.
And
That's a masterclass in the voice.
a masterclass in the voice.
Yeah.
Yes, 100%. And she just seems, I love that she does not look like she is trying. There's so much to say when it comes to just the natural gift that God's given somebody for their voice. And obviously you want to train that. You want to
Yeah,
work
of
on that
course.
and mold it even
have
more
to.
so.
Yes, yes.
But she looks like she's not even trying. She's
No,
sitting
it's
down.
so
She looks like
effortless.
she is the sweetest, most humble person ever.
Yeah,
And she just did that flawlessly.
she's in the rare league of divas.
Yeah.
That
Yes.
she's in the rare league, and
Yeah.
that was fantastic. So yeah,
I will be bold to say that she sits there with my top 5.
really.
That's Celine. It's Whitney. It's Roberta Flack.
Woo!
It's Mariah Carey.
Aye.
1990s.
Yes.
Alison Krauss, actually. I think she's
She's the
incredible.
voice of an angel.
And she just walked into this group.
Wow,
Yeah.
that's a big statement.
That's a big statement, but I mean it.
Yeah. We hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you guys for
Thank you.
tipping
Changing
us
our
off to
lives.
her. Yeah, I mean, that was fantastic.
Holy cow.
Like, subscribe, share all the things. If you want
Yes.
more of this, leave us comments. We look at them, we do read them,
Yes.
and
We want to know and hear more from you guys and connect with y'all more. So
Yeah.
I am Katie Talbot.
and I'm Jason Catron. Until next time, we are Vocal Lab
Collective.
Collective.
My life has changed.
Never enough. I have some grit.
Never